Aksyon Balita!
Imuhang gipropose ka ordinance gani abi namo ma-approve na to third and final reading nya mo de ito wala na approve kani usay pagpasabot nga naman nga nagpasalamat usab kas pipila ka mga konsyal pasabta daw mi ang tibuok labi na tanhay.
Okay, yung atong mga niaging bulan nagpasa ko og diya sa ato ang plenaryo sa sanggunian og ordinansa nga i-increase ang ato ang sweldo matag adlaw sa atong mga job order workers kay kasamtangan 366 na gyud sila. So atong gihimong 397 pinasubay sa joint circular or order nga gipagawa sa COA o sa Department of Labor and Employment nga sa syudad sa Tanhay nga fourth class city ang applicable kung non-agricultural ang gi-perform nga trabaho is 397. So kana ato ang gipasa din na nagyud nay sumbanan. So approve for first reading, ubay-ubay mi og sponsor ana. Sa akong gi-appeal no para lami man gyud nang we work as a team. Second and final reading last Monday. Karon naunsa man pod nga Monday na noon second and final reading kay na-approve na ang maong proposal. Wa man nato nakuha ang numero. Sa ikaduhang sa pagpangutana ni Engineer Neil Salma ato ang Vice Mayor kay lagi si Councilor Bosmion. Later on I will also answer nga niingon siya nga it's a black propaganda. I will have to tell him what is black propaganda for him to be enlightened. Now, giklaro ni Vice Mayor ug unsa ang iyahang boto. Kay ingon man ana ang iyahang action so way klaro so pag gipangutana siya usab unsa man gyud ang imong boto. Yang gipangutana ang iyahang tapad klaro ni I saw it in my naked eyes. Yang gipangutana si Engineer Duming Katubig kay si Engineer Duming Katubig ni object man ato ra po nang girespeto no. But at the end of the day what I wanted was that I just need the number. So ni abstain na siya instead of ni vote siya una. So ang ending wala gyud nato nakuha ang numero kay dapat nako makakuha 8 kay kuan man to appropriation ordinance man to dapat qualified majority man. So I need to get an 8. So pag iyap wala gito nga wala na hitabo, wala na approbay. So makaluoy ang atong mga job order workers. What is 31 pesos nga mapuno ra unta nila sa ilang matag adlaw-adlaw nga panginabuhi ba pagkaon kay nasayod man gyud ta Kuya Roy, Kael, Ronly no nga nitaas na gyud ang tanan natong palaliton diha sa Changi. So may na lang tato ikadapat ba sa ilahang panginanglanon. O niya, nagisgot man kaganina sa mga nisuporta. Allow me also to thank the people who supported me that despite our political inclinations, they were there to support because they saw that this is something very good and beneficial to our job order workers. I have Dr. Ben Bumanglag, Councilor Tikboy Salma, Councilor Daryl Aba, Councilor Lito Manso, Councilor Carding Condes, and Councilor Arlo Trigalado. So these were the people who positively said that we are for the 397 pesos. So I don't understand why there are people who abstained. Maybe they do not know yet what is this ordinance all about, but they could have asked me. Being the proponent and some other proponents, there were those who objected, but I respect their decisions. But what I wanted is that if this is for the common good of the people, then we have to give it to them.
Kasi may major reason nga wa sila ni pabor sa imong ordinansa.
One of the councilors said, the one who objected said that we still have to talk to the mayor because si mayor na I hang you, I do not know what is it all about. And the other said, wala tayong budget, which I don't believe. I would not agree that we don't have a budget. So, ingon ko nga, why do we have to rely with the mayor? This is our work. We are the legislative. We're supposed to be independent. Although there are times that we have to jibe or to be attuned with the plans of the mayor. But I don't think the mayor will have to disagree on this because this is his promise also. And even if this is not promised, this is the right thing to do as a legislator. No, so wala ko kasabot. Anyway, that will not prevent me to pass further legislations nga maghatag og binipisyo sa ato ang mga job order workers, lakip na ang tibuok katawan sa syudad sa Tanhay.
So, makonsiderar ba na ito nga patay naming ordinansa or we can refile this ordinance?
I can refile it, but nasagmuyo pug ko no kay mag-budgeting na good ta. Hapit na mo end ang year. So I want it part of the budget for next year. So karon mo pasa na pug kugla apiki na ta kaayo. And mo submit na ang executive department of proposed budget which will be approved because I think he has the majority, and if I see that that is something very good, justified, then I will have to assent on the proposed budget.
Okay, so turn inaning pag wala pag-aproba, ba kay plano nga ibalik na po nimo ni og pasa sa sanggunian.
Oh, definitely that's going to happen. But that will take time because magpasa na lang kita og budget. Dili naman siya ma-appeal, no? Sa ato ang budget for next year, 2023. Because the year 2022 is about to end.
Aksyon! Balita!